A Butterfly's Life Cycle. Remember, you can go to Myon to listen to this story again and again. Let's get ready to learn. This week in reading, we are learning to identify the main topic of a multi-paragraph text as well as the focus of specific paragraphs within the text. The main topic is who or what the text is about. Paragraphs are a section of writing that have one or more sentences. The focus is the topic. So our job here today will be to think about what is the main topic of the entire text. Throughout the week, you'll think about what is the topic of each paragraph or a couple of paragraphs together. So, we are reading to figure out the main topic of the book. Well, how do we do that? Remember we talked about repeating? To figure out what a book is mostly about, it's helpful to pay attention to the word or words you see again and again. On each page, notice what repeats. Think to yourself, does this word tell me what the book is mostly about? If I look at the table of contents, I can think to myself, what repeats in the words? Well, I see the word life twice. So maybe the main topic of this book is about the life of something. I'll read further to see if my main topic is correct. Life in an egg. A female monarch butterfly floats in the air. She is looking for a special plant. At last she finds a milkweed plant and lays her eggs. There's that word life again. I'll keep reading to see if I continue to see the word life. But I'm thinking the topic is definitely about something's life. Caterpillars hatch from the eggs in about a week. These little critters eat their way out of the egg using their strong jaws. Hungry caterpillars. Hungry caterpillars eat milkweed leaves. They eat until their skin gets too tight. Pop! They molt or shed their old skins. Underneath is a new, larger skin. Now you think, what repeats on each page in the pictures? Tell me. A caterpillar sheds its skin 4 or 5 times. The caterpillar hangs upside down from a leaf. It sheds its skin one more time. The new layer is called a pupa or chrysalis. Think to yourself, what is the book mostly about so far? Inside a pupa. The pupa hardens as it dries. Inside the pupa, a caterpillar's body changes. After about 2 weeks, the pupa cracks open. Can you state the main topic? Think about what has been repeating. A butterfly pulls itself out of the pupa. Its body is wet and folded. Its wings slowly open and dry in the sun. Put your finger on a word that has been the same on a couple pages. That will help you know the main topic. Life as a butterfly. All summer, the monarch flies from flower to flower. It unrolls its long tongue to eat. The monarch sucks nectar from the flowers. Yum! Have you found a repeating word? Now think, what's the topic? Days get shorter. The weather gets cooler. Monarch butterflies know it's time for the long flight south. They rest in trees along the way. I see what's repeating in the pictures. Butterflies. In the spring, the sun warms the butterflies. Most fly north. Butterflies mate and the female lays eggs. Caterpillars hatch and molt, and from a pupa comes a beautiful butterfly. On these final pages, you will find the glossary and the index of the book. Glossaries help you when you don't know what a word means. The index will tell you where certain words are found in the book. So now that we've read the whole book, think about what the entire book was about. In your journal, write a sentence about the main topic of a butterfly's life cycle. Explain how you know that this was the topic. Your sentence might sound like, the main topic is, I know that this is the main topic because.